Demographic turned 5 years, a great opportunity to recap some of the highlights of my past 5 years of traveling. It has been 5 years since I uploaded my very first video on YouTube about Brunei. And well, I guess if you go and watch the video, by the way it's pinned in my comment here, you'll see everything has been quite different. I've now uploaded over 150 videos and definitely a lot has changed. So my first Brunei video, the gear was very simple. I didn't use any drone. In fact, I filmed everything with a simple cell phone. And then the narrations, well, they weren't really that great. But now, as the 5 years have passed, I've also improved my weak point. I think now the storytelling is quite good, or at least a lot better. But now, let's talk about you guys. I just crossed 90,000 subscribers this weekend, and wow, this is incredible. I mean, I just think back at the moment where I started YouTubing, my channel had 0 subscribers. I was very anxious to upload my first video, and yeah, I was always like looking up to all these great channels having like over 50,000 subscribers, over a million subscribers. And I was always thinking like, this is a league I probably will never be able to enter. But it's now starting to head into that direction. I'm soon going to pass the 100,000 benchmark. It's a very important benchmark, not only because of the play button, but also because it's another digit more. And this is definitely also going to help me a lot for recognition and also for sponsorships. I started YouTubing as a passion. I was doing everything alone, I was working very late in the nights to edit all the videos that I've been uploading for you guys. And meanwhile, I've built a team around myself. I have a video editor, he's from the Philippines, his name is Nato. He also happens to be one of my best friends since almost 9 years now, and he has been editing the videos now for 2 years. I think this is a great opportunity to acknowledge his work. He's getting better and better, and I do have to say, I'm really blessed to have Nato. But not only Nato is part of the team, I also have friends who accompany on my travels. Most important to mention are the cousins Johannes and Marco. They're my best friends in school and they've been accompanying me on many travels. Hanafi, my closest friend during my times in Singapore. He also helped me a lot with video ideas, storytelling, and yeah, he has definitely also had a very big impact on my channel. And then Ray, he's a little bit underrepresented in my videos. He also had a really big influence on my YouTube channel, and he also supported me a lot, especially when I was in Bali and in Malaysia. And then of course also Laura, she's been of a great help for this channel, and well, I have to say, how could you not like her? I mean, her smile is very catchy, and yeah, she's also one of my best friends since the pandemic. Then I've been also collaborating with some content creators. Most important to mention here would be Ryan Shirley. He has a lot more subscribers than me, but what we share is the passion for doing videos, especially for Switzerland. And we happened to meet already 3 times. He visited me since 2021. And yeah, now meanwhile I can say what resulted out of this is a great friendship. We're actually even talking now about traveling to Southeast Asia next year. Then I've been also collaborating with Doreen. She's a Swiss influencer here on Instagram. And then also Dominika, Swiss Voyage. She's meanwhile, I can say, an alpinist and also an expert when it comes to traveling around Switzerland. Alessando, I've been working with him on a project to film the best swimming places in Switzerland this summer. It was a really great collaboration. He has been helping me a lot with taking drone videos and also filming me with my GoPro. We really had a great time together. We're also going to continue this project. But these videos, we are going to only publish them once I've activated channel memberships. This is because I want these places to not be overrun by people, thus I prefer to publish these videos only to a smaller audience. Alessandro's Instagram is called Nature Mountain. please check it out and consider a follow. Also to mention here, Schaffy Zainuddin, Adrian Blaster, and well, I'm really looking forward to more new collaborations. I started YouTubing as a passion. In 2021 I've built a business out of it, so I founded JMB Productions that allowed me to collaborate with tourism boards, hotels and also brands. I do have to say these collaborations were very interesting. I really made very interesting contacts, and then of course it was really fun to work in the hotels. Has been days of getting up early at 6 AM, working until midnight, but although it was very hard and tiring, I guess Johannes and I, we never really lost our passion. It was really great, every minute was enjoyable, although it was really a lot of hard work. Well, great moments during the past 5 years. I'm really looking forward to new travels and especially to new moments with you. I'm going to travel also more to Southeast Asia. By the way, here I also want to mention my videos and my channel. It's not only about Switzerland, it's about showing you the world, showing you the new cultures, especially the off the mainstream spots. And then of course, once in a while I also have to visit the hotspots, but at least I'll try some way how to sneak out of it. Great, 5 years and hopefully another 5 years with all of you. Thank you very much and I'm looking forward to see you very soon.